Let us see the same topic, subject and predicate. I'm going to continue. Compound subject and predicate. You have read that the subject in a sentence can be one word, two word, or a phrase, but they are joined with the help of conjunctions. For example, you see, Gaurav and Sabina go to the same school. There are two subjects which are joined with the conjunction and. The bookshelf or the bookcase has to go. There are two subjects again which are joined with the help of or, that is conjunction. Both the dog and cat are sleeping. They are joined with the help of both and. Neither the cushion nor the curtains match the couch. Here cushion and curtains are subject, but they are joined with the conjunction neither nor. Either Kavita or Isha can work on this assignment. Kavita and Isha are subject, but they are joined with either or, right? So in this way, these are the conjunctions by which all these sentences are joined. Now read these sentences. Gaurav not only plays tennis in the evening but also swims. There are two works he is doing and they are joined with not only but also. The cat climbs the tree and sleeps on the branch. In this sentence, predicates are joined by the conjunctions. Here there are two predicates which are joined with the conjunction. Here again predicates are joined with conjunctions. When there are two or more predicates in a sentence, they are joined by conjunctions like and or both, either or, neither nor, as well as, along with, not only but also, this way. Okay, these are called compound predicate. So go through this video and tell me your problems.